After opening the Adobe Illustrator, we should set up the document. Setting up your document correctly from the start will make your job much easier as you work through your project. This will require some advanced planning. For example, if your final output will be brochure, you need to set up your document to be horizontal and double-sided. To create a new document, click File. Then choose New. This will open the document setup dialog box. Here you will be able to set up the correct page size and orientation for your document. Options include but are not limited to page size. Choose a page size from the menu or type values for width and height. Page size represents the final size you want after bleeds or trimming other marks outside the page. There are presets or common sizes such as letter, legal, and tabloid. To change unit size from points to inches, click on the units drop-down and choose inches. Orientation. Click the portrait or the tall or landscape for wide icons. These icons interact dynamically with the dimension you enter in page size. When height is the larger value, the portrait icon is selected. When width is the larger value, the landscape icon is selected. Clicking the opposite icon switches the height and the width value. Document profile. Choose a profile that will best fit your project. For example, when making a graphic for a brochure, choose print. When making a graphic for web, choose web. Each document profile has an appropriate preset for your project. When you have entered all your document settings, click OK. Note, if you enter incorrect information in the document setup dialog box, if you need to adjust any of this information while you are working, you can make changes anytime by clicking File, Document Setup, and more options.